Greetings everyone. In today's video, we will quickly learn how you can tune your guitar or ukulele using a free mobile application. Let's get started.
For more contents like this, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon.
So with a simple mobile application, you can easily tune your guitar or ukulele for free. So let's download the application, go to App Store and search for GuitarTuna. So this is the one. Click on Get and install. So the download has been completed. Let's open the app. Start now. Now choose your instrument. I will choose guitar for now, but you can change this later. Allow. OK. So this app also has the Pro version, which obviously offers more features. However, we will be using the free one. Click on Later. We will do this auto and not manual. So like this. Here are additional settings if you want to change anything, like the calibrate or left hand mode, etc. I will leave it to default. We will be tuning in the standard tunings. So let's try to tune our guitar. Please note, you will need to play the relevant strings to tune your guitar, and GuitarTuna will automatically let you know if it has been tuned. You will have to tighten or loosen the strings as accordingly. So as you can hear that the guitar has been tuned. Likewise, you can also tune ukulele with this application. Click on the standard and choose ukulele. So in the free version, we only have this option available, which works on most of the songs. So go with this one. Now let's try to tune it. So you can easily tune your ukulele too. Hope you learned how to tune your guitar and ukulele. Now enjoy playing. Thank you very much.